Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Priscilla Lily, and today is my first video, and I am gonna be doing a AliExpress haul. I don't want to make a long intro or anything like that, so let's get into it. Because if it was a long intro, I know people would click out of it, because whenever there's a long intro in other people's video, I definitely be open out of it. So anyways, let's get into it. I'm going to be tagging everything down below also, so you guys don't have to worry about it. If you guys want the same clothes as me, I'm not going to gatekeep it. Who am I, like Beyonce or something? No.
Oh God, are you insane? Beyonce?
I would just like to say sorry about the noises or even how it sounds. I actually have microphones, but I need the, you know how Apple has the little connector things? I need one of those for like the aux. But also, I'm going to be opening up these packages, showing you guys, reviewing them, and then I will also be styling it at the end. So just be ready for that. Okay, so we have these big bags, and there's more. But that's all I'm going to show you, because I'm not going to lift it up. I just put my camera down a little more so you can see a little bit more, and I just opened this big bag here. And great, there's more bags. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna open this next bag up. And I wouldn't say I have a shopping addiction, but let's just say I like to shop when I'm sad or bored, and you know, bitches be like that all the time. So, oh my gosh, I don't even know how many things I bought. I think I bought like 30 items or 20, 26, I don't know, something like that. What is this? Sometimes I don't even know what I'm getting because I surprise myself, like, the addiction is real. I'd like to show you that most of these clothes come in like little Ziploc things, so that's really neat. I really like that. But the first piece I got is this corset top. It doesn't have lining in it. In the picture it looks like it has lining, but they're a fraud. It's a fraud! But this is how it looks like. It's yellow, green, very cute, very cute. Oh, you can see the inside also. Very cute. I hope it fits me. I have this next one. I already opened it. But oh, these are my skeleton shoes. Like, what? Skeleton jeans? Yeah, skeleton jeans. See? Skeleton jeans. Super cute. It's dark blue. But hold up. No, I know you fucking lying. I know you fucking lying. Look at the stitch on this. This is not capital. Hold on, I don't know if you guys can see this. Do you? Oh my. Now I know damn well. Okay, so I was really shook about this pants right here because this is a very popular brand in Japan, especially like their Instagram and stuff. I actually wanted to buy a pair of their jeans until I realized that they don't sell out of their country. So I was just like, I do not want to go through that third-party issue. Like, please, I don't want to get scammed. I don't want to do any of that. So I wasn't aware that this AliExpress seller sells capital jeans. I don't know if it's real, I don't know if it's fake, so I can't really say much about that. I'm guessing it's fake because of how the stitching was, but at the same time I'm not really sure. But oh, I really wanted a pair of these jeans, so I'm really excited about this. Next thing I got is this baby Phat tank top, crop top. Super cute. Obviously it's not the actual brand. It's not actually baby Phat and just a copy of it. But I wonder if they even sell baby Phat anymore. I'm pretty sure they do. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's it's a white blouse. You know, just regular schmegular. The fabric though, oh my goodness gracious, this is just very cheap. Very cheap. But like, duh, it's gonna be cheap and it's gonna be like bad fabric. Hello, this is like $3 right here. Okay, so the next thing I got are these pants. This is the bottom here. Straight leg pants. This is the back. It's actually sewn really nicely, and I like the flower prints on it. That's why I got them in the first place. It's gonna go very well for the springtime, so I'm excited to style this one. Next thing I got are these leather pants. I got them in black, and I got one in brown. Love that noise. ASMR. Okay. Stop playing around. These are how they look like. I hope they look better in like on me, because these are looking real raggedy right now. Especially with this cheap ass material. Oh my god. Anyways, let's look at the brown one. Let's go ahead and look at the brown one. And I'm guessing it's no different except that it's brown. So, let's see. I was right, no difference. It's just brown. What the heck? LMAO. So the next thing I got is literally the most basic thing ever. It's just a brown jacket. Just a brown jacket. I don't know what else to say except that it's a brown jacket. Actually, you know what? The quality of this is actually really nice and thick. I'm surprised, actually. Seriously. Alrighty, so this is the jeans that I got. I'm gonna fold them here. This is how it looks like. Real cute. This is the back. Butterfly print. Super cute. And I want to see if this print is like, okay, so they didn't print it on. It's, I believe, bleach. Yep, it's bleach. So that's really neat. I like that actually. And the quality is actually real good. I like this. Oh my goodness. And I actually have two dresses of the same print, but they are different. This one has two straps, and you can see that there's like a lining right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this lining of the breast area, and it's a shorter dress than the other one. Here is the other one. This one is a much longer dress, and it only has one strap. Much longer. There's a slit right here for the leg. This one's super cute. Same print though, same material. So the next thing I got is this leather corset top. And I'm kind of scared this isn't gonna fit me. I don't know, it looks a little big on me. But I have one in brown and the other one is in black. So here's the front, here's the back. You can do a close up here, close up on the back. Alright, so this is one of the other tanks that I got. Super cute. I love this one. The material is really good too. It's like an actual shirt and not like a cheap ass one. Till death do us part.
Bitch, is you blind?
Super cute. And here's the back. Not much to it. Last but not least, I got these pants. It's almost like a legging type material. This is the front here. This is the back. It's another brown pants. I know, how boring of me, but alright, so let's see those clothes on me.
I never had songs that control me until something bad left me so lonely. I want it back. I want the old me. I'm trying to forget, but things just remind me. There's a million things, there's a million things I could say, but you never really knew that. But you never really knew I felt this way. Wanna take it back, wanna take it back to when we had it just like that. Had it right on track.
So you reached the end of the video, and comment down below which piece of clothing was your favorite. Best believe that there's going to be more hauls in the future. Trust me, there's probably going to be a haul next week. But if you guys would like to show some support, like and subscribe down below. All of my social medias are going to be listed below. Same with all the clothing pieces. They're all going to be listed down below in the bio. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay forever. Bye.
Living